This 2025 Grand Design Solitude 388 MBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 42 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep 6, skylight, awning, LP detector, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, external shower, water heater, leveling jacks, slide out, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Solitude 388 MBS is 15,985 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.